Hey, if you're looking for space, charm, and a large backyard that's sure enough to host your next barbecue, then 25 Cockburn is for you.
That's right. It is in our favorite location, Richmond Village. Beautiful, move-in ready, semi-detached home. Love the backyard, love the pool, love the updates. Can't ask for anything else. Let's go check it out. So you are already enjoying the backyard and sunshine?
Absolutely.
I'm going to do the same. And if you guys are interested in a private viewing, go ahead and give us a call.
Cheers.
Bye.